Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to use Facebook Messenger for video calls. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the chat of the user that you want to video call with. Tap on the video call icon at the top right of your screen. Now both you and your friend can easily FaceTime each other using Facebook Messenger. And that's it. This is how you use Facebook Messenger for video calls. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.